Sai Ram children. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam. Let's learn English. Today's lesson is vowels. Okay. So now your instructor name is Kalpana Heblekar and you will be learning with me the English language throughout. Okay. Thank you so much. So now what do you mean by vowels? Okay. So we have seen there are 26 letters in the English alphabet and they are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Now we all have our names, right? Now some of you are called Bharat, some of you are called Sita, some of you are called Lakshmi, some of you are called Rahul. All of us have names. So in the same way, each letter in the alphabet has their names. Okay. So there are 5 letters in the English alphabet which are called vowels. How many? 5 letters. Okay. So let us see which are they. They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. So A, E, I and O and U are called vowels. Now let us learn the spellings of vowel. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. Okay. Whenever you start the lesson, you should write the heading first. Okay. So write down V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. Now we'll write the first point. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. Okay. What are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. I hope it is clear. The letters A, E, I, O and U have their name and their name is, yes, very good, vowel. Okay. Yes. These letters A, E, I, O, U which are called vowels. Okay. And vowels have 20 vowel sounds. Now they have 20 vowel sounds. Now what do you mean by vowel sounds? We will learn in the next lesson. Okay. So for now you just remember there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. Okay. And these 5 vowels have got 20 sounds. Okay. These are very important. You should remember. Now let us recap. The 5 vowels have dash sounds. Can you tell me how many? Yes, 20 sounds. Correct. Okay. Now the big letters in the English alphabet are also called capital letters or uppercase letter. Both are correct. Okay. Yes. Now A, B, C, D, it will continue till Z, are dash letters. So it can be lowercase letters or small letters. Both are correct. Okay. There are 26 letters in the English what? Alphabet, not bets. Okay. I hope it is clear, children. Why not bets and why it is bet? Okay. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. I hope all of you have written. Yes. Okay. Now it's a game time. Okay. So all of you are happy playing games? Yes. All of us like to play games, right? Yes. Pick the vowels from the given jumble box below. Okay. This is called the jumble box where it is not written A, B, C, D together. Okay. In the line. It is jumble words, letters. Okay. So you just have to circle. Okay. Let us circle. Tell me the first one. In the first sentence, is there any vowel? See, is C a vowel? No. Is D a vowel? No. K? No. What about E? Yes. So, E is a vowel. So, let us do a circle or a mark for it. Okay. F. F is a vowel. Who said F is a vowel? No. F is not a vowel. We have 5 vowels. Okay. It is A, E, I, O and U. That's all. Okay. Is J a vowel? No. L? No. P? No. N? No. V? No. G? No. What about A? Yes. So it is, we'll mark A. Okay. Then M? No. T? No. X? Who said yes? It's wrong. Okay. X is not a vowel. Okay. S? R? No. U? W? No. O? Yes. Q also is not a vowel. Very good. Yes. Now comes I. Is I a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it is vowel. Then Y, S, T, B, all are not vowels. Okay. Then P, no. X, no. Z, no. C, no. U is a vowel. Okay. Now have we covered all? Let us see, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O and U. Yes, we have covered all the vowels. Okay, children? So, did you like this game of jumbled words? Yes. Jumbled letters we'll keep and we'll play many games in the English. Who said English is a dry subject? No, it is not a dry. We can make it very interesting. Okay? So, let us play many games. But all of you should learn the words properly and the letters too with the spellings. Okay? So, now we will say the spelling of game. G-A-M-E, game. G-A-M-E, game. Now, pick, P-I-C-K, pick. The, T-H-E, the. Vowels, V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. From, F-R-O-M, from. The, T-H-E, the. Given, G-I-V-E-N, given. Jumble, J-U-M-B-L-E, jumble. Box, B-O-X, box. Below, B-E-L-O-W, below. Okay, children? Very good. So now, children, we will start with points to remember. Okay? Now, what do you mean by points to remember? In the previous classes, we have done certain things, right? Now, we have to remember them. So, we are saying points to remember. So, like bullet points, if you remember something, then you will remember properly. Okay? Even at night before sleeping, you should just remember these points so that you can learn English very well. Yes. We have learned that a sentence should always start with a capital letter. Okay? Capital letter. Now you know what is capital letter. I am not going to repeat again. Okay, children? Now, some more points. Now we will learn some more points. Okay? Always end the sentence with a full stop. So, that time I had told you in the previous slides, in the lessons before, that always start the capital letter. Sentence with a capital letter. See, here it is A. Okay? And once you complete the sentence, you have to put a small dot. It is called full stop. Okay? What is it called? Full stop. Yes. So, it is called full stop. Now, next is, this is very important. Okay? So, always start the sentence near the margin. Now, what do you mean by margin? Let us learn this word M-A-R-G-I-N, margin. M-A-R-G-I-N, margin. Okay. Now, see, this is the, suppose this is the page. Okay, your page. You will have one line up. Yes. And then you will have a straight line here. So, this is called margin. And then you will have some lines like this where you write. Okay. Okay. So, this is called margin. So, you should not write here anything, and on the first line also here you can write only the heading. Suppose you write vowels. Vowels. Okay. And here you start the first point. If you want to start first point, you should write 1 here in the margin and then write from here. There are continuous like that. Okay. So, understood? This is a vowel, and then you start from the margin. In the margin, you can write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So, yes. So, now all of you have understood? Yes. Now, we are going to complete this lesson. I hope you have learnt what is vowel, what is the capital letter, what is small letter, how to write the sentence, that is start the sentence with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Yes. Now, we will go to the next lesson next time. Thank you for listening to me very patiently, children. Thank you. Bye.